Today we are going to learn how to download the EZStation software and download footage onto your computer. First thing we do is go to alphavision.ai/EZStation. This will bring us to the EZStation info and download page. Here we can choose to download the software for Windows or Mac. Click on the appropriate button. This brings you to the download page. Click Download. We're going to go ahead and open up the download and run this file. Click on Next. Accept. Next, Next, Install. OK. Once installed, click on Finish. Now let's go back to the desktop. Now you can see we have an icon for EZTools 3.0. Go ahead and click that. If it says, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" click Yes. When you first open the EZTools software, it'll ask you to create a super administrator user. In this case, we're going to choose a password for the software so you can create your own password. Choose your password and click on Next. In case you forget your password, you can always reset it. If you want to avoid entering the password every time, you can click Save Password. And you can also click Auto Login, so you will automatically log in next time. Once we have the software open, click Cancel here and get rid of this. Let's navigate to the Device Management tab. Click on Cloud Device on the left-hand side and log in. Logging in, you will enter the same email address and password that you have set up on the EZView app on your smartphone. This will allow us to see all the cameras and NVRs that we have added to our account. Click Log In. Now that we're logged in, we can see that our device is showing as online. That's perfect. Now that we have EZTools installed on our computer and we are logged into our cloud account, we are going to download the footage from your NVR onto your computer. First thing we're going to do is click on the control panel. Then we can maximize this so you can see it more clearly. We're back onto the Control Panel tab, and before we do anything, go to System Configuration. On the right-hand side, go to Recording tab, change the downloaded recording format from TS to MP4 and the local recording from TS to MP4 as well. This will allow you to open the downloaded file as an MP4 file, which just makes it easier to share with people and easier for them to view the file. Once we've done that, go ahead and click OK. Now we're going to go to the Playback tab. The Playback tab is where we can see our NVR. We can download the footage from it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my camera here at the front, and we're going to search through Playback. So say, for example, on Saturday the 18th, we can search using the calendar. Here we can see the playback. It's nighttime, not much happening, but let's say there was something happening, and we want to download all the recording from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. So, how do we do that? What we need to do is click this download button here on the bottom left corner. Select your camera. Select the date and time. So, in this case, I'm going to select the 18th, and we are going to go from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Click Search. This is going to give you a list of files from that time period. I'm going to select all of them because I want the entire hour to be downloaded, and choose High-Speed Download. Then click on Download. You can see that a recording task has been created. It'll tell you on the bottom right. We can click on View Task that shows you how much % it's downloaded. Right now, we're about 4 to 5% complete. You can also see there's other tasks here because this is downloading multiple clips at the same time. When this is finished downloading, it'll show up under Completed. You can open up this task management again from the bottom left-hand side. If we close it, you can see this icon where it's downloading. Click the icon. That will bring up again the task management. So let's wait for this to finish downloading. Now that our files are finished downloading, we can see them in the list of completed files here. If we click on the Open Folder button, this will actually open the folder where the files have been downloaded to. By default, the files will go to C/users/public/EZStation3/record. So keep this in mind if you're not able to find your files. Try navigating there and we can see our files are here. If we double-click on the file, we can see that they're working and we can play them back. That concludes this video for how to use EZTools 3.0. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.